All right, everybody in the shop today, we have a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado with a 5.3 V8. Customer's complaint is that it was crank no start, acting like it didn't have any fuel. Had some check engine lights set, had the vehicle towed in. When we checked it, the check engine light is for low fuel pressure and no communication with the fuel pump driver module. We'll get it picked up in the air and see what's going on with it. All right, so on this truck, this is what we found when we pulled down the fuel pump control module. It is a corroded mess, not in the greatest of shape. So, I mean, to be fair, the inside of the connector didn't look too bad. Checked all the data lines on the truck first, found that all the data lines were in good shape. Power and ground to the module was in good shape. Basically comes down to the fact you eliminate everything other than the actual module itself by diagnosing and checking the electrical system in the truck, replace the module, and lo and behold, it has a fuel pump running and priming, and all of the fuel pressure codes are gone. And as to the reason why these modules tend to fail, at least here in Atlantic, Canada, you can see here underneath the truck, you can see the shiny new module in its location, tucked up just above the spare tire there, where it gets regularly splashed with salty water and all the other contaminants and dirt and things that come off of the tires and off of the road as you drive down the road, and corroded out. So that's what just corrosion internally shorted the module, and it's what's caused the failure in this situation.